Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is based on a question one of you asked. Apparently you have a kid that's a bit mischievous and they are locking you out of your Yukon with the door locks here on the rear doors. Now here's what's going to happen is I'm going to hit the button to unlock that because I have the key fob in my pocket, but they can actually lock the doors back here, but they can't unlock the doors if the child safety locks are on. So here's the issue. If somebody is sitting in one of these seats with the key fob in the vehicle, when the vehicle is locked, you cannot come up and use the passive entry buttons right here on these front doors. That's what those buttons are called. So until the kid unlocks the vehicle, that means that nobody can get in. Now you could run in the house and you could get the second remote that comes with your Yukon, but there's also one other way to overcome this problem. There's no setting in the center screen or anything like that that you can do, but here's what you can do. What you can actually do is use your key fob, and you're going to use this button right here. You're going to pull out the mechanical key. Now what you're likely going to need to do is to keep this in your wallet. Your wife, if she needs it, put it in her purse, situation like that. And that allows you to come right here. There is a lock right there that you can actually insert this into just like that, and then you can lock or unlock the vehicle that way. That's the only option because, like I said, there's no actual setting in the center screen to keep these lock controls on these back doors from being functional. Just one of those things, might be something that GMC needs to look into in the future. Tell me what you think about that. I wish there was an easier solution. Now, I don't know if you can have a duplicate of this key made or not. You might be able to. You can try that, and then you wouldn't have to have this kind of larger piece in your wallet or wherever you keep it. But that is the solution to your problem, other than just teaching your kid not to use the locks. That may be easier said than done if they want to be a prankster, but I hope that helps out. If you have a tutorial you'd like to request, tell me down in the comments section. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.